Hey guys, so today I have Anthony Gennaro from Innova Power. He's a certified electrician and he's going to show us how to wire up the switch to the heater so that you're powering up your Innova heater.
First things first, remove the 4 ground screws. Next, you're going to attach the wire to the cover. Next part is to attach the ground wire to the cover. I like to use the adjustable wrench just to give it a nice oomph. So if you remember in the high-low switch, we had a red wire going straight through. We are going to use the wire nuts and connect both red wires going to the leads of the quartz heater together. For the black wires, you attach one together and the other one together. Lastly, close it all up. Put the 4 screws back.
Okay, so that is how you complete a wiring of the heater from the switch. Thank you, Anthony, for all your help on this and to show these people how to do it. But I do stress that you should hire yourself a certified professional electrician to install all of your Innova heaters and switches.